Today we have a look to the CSlaser series. With the CSlaser series you have the possibility to do a precise measurement on different materials in a temperature range from -30 degrees C up to 1600 degrees C. This compact single-piece sensor has integrated laser diodes which shows exactly the measurement spot on your material and which support you to detect the correct temperature on very small measure areas. So you have the possibility to adjust the sensor head in the right way, detecting the area which you want to measure. Optris provides you the CSlaser series with different wavelengths and different temperature ranges. It does not matter which material, steel, plastic, glass, metals, as for example for induction heating processes, electronic components or other materials. We support you the right spectral range for your application. With a selection of different optics, as standard optics or close focus optics, you can use the CSlaser in different distances to get the perfect spot measurement. The CSlaser sensor head provides you an analog output signal of 4 to 20 mA as temperature signal. It has a standard to-wire interface for reliable data transfer and easy integration into a PLC. You can also use a signal as alarm recognition. With the IR connectivity kit, you can connect the CSlaser sensor with your PC or with your mobile phone to make settings quickly and easy. For the PC use, we support you with the free analysis software Compact Connect, which you can use to record a temperature time diagram and to do sensor settings. For the connection with your mobile phone, we support you the free Android app IR Vision, which you can download from the Google Play Store. Have a precise temperature measurement with the Optris CSlaser series.